Hi, this is Luke from Boss Web Systems, and in this training video we're going to discuss how to create a media download module. So media download modules are used when you have a document that you want your users to be able to download and use. So first things first, we have to head to the media downloads area under modules here, and that'll present you with a list of all of your existing literature items. Okay. Now if you wanted to say view the reports for one of these ones or change the document that was attached to this module, we'd just click on one of these, but I want to create a brand new one from scratch, so up the top here I'm just going to click on add media download. And here we go. So we now need to add a name for this media download. It's a good idea to call your module something that's quite user-friendly, because depending on how we add it to the page, your users may see it, and you also want to call it something relevant purely so you can find it in the list again. For example, meeting minutes Thursday the 12th of April is a good media download name. Meeting minutes from last Thursday is not. Okay, so we just need to call this one, say, example meeting minutes 12th April. Okay, and then underneath that we need to choose a type of media download. So this isn't exclusive at all. What this does is determines the little icon that appears next to the file link. Okay, so if it's a PDF, it's an Adobe Acrobat file. If it's a Word document, it's Microsoft Word. If it doesn't fit into any of these categories, just select other. That's fine. But in this case, I'm going to pretend it's a PDF document, so Adobe Acrobat. Okay, now we need to save the media download. So what we're doing here is we're basically creating the container for the file, and having done so, we're now ready to put the file in there. If you do try and upload before you save, you'll just be prompted to save. That's all. Okay. Now, to add a document to this module, we just need to hit select here, and this is just like uploading an image. It's exactly the same. We just select a file from the Explorer window that pops up. Okay, I'm just going to pretend that jellyfish here is a PDF file, and then we just hit upload. And there we are. Okay, so now we've created the module or the container for the document, we've added the document, and now we just need to add the module or the link to a page so people can download it. So I'm going to head to Site Manager and Pages, and I'm going to put this module on my Media Downloads page. Okay. Most excellent. Okay, so here we go. I'm ready to add this to the page. So there's two ways that I could potentially add this. I could say, click, if I can spell it right, click here to download this file. Otherwise, I could add it as an actual module to the page. So first of all, we'll talk about adding it as a hyperlink. So to do that, you just highlight what you want to turn into a link, and then head up here to the hyperlink manager. Okay, now this is very similar to linking to another page. We're just going to enter into the hyperlink manager or the link picker and click on media downloads here. Okay, that'll give you a list of all of your existing media download modules, and I'm just going to click on this one and it'll populate that little link field underneath. So now we just hit update, it'll slot that in there for me, and okay, and that's it. That's all there is to hyperlinking to a media download module. If you wanted to add it to the page and include that groovy little icon and the file size, then you can do so over here in the toolbox. So we've placed the cursor where we want the module to go. We just click on media downloads here in the toolbox and select our display criteria. Now in this case I only want the one, but you could have, say, all literature in a category, all that sort of gear, and there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to hit insert now, and done. So that's what the module looks like on the actual page. It's what we call a module tag. But if we were to save the draft and preview this page, that's what it'll actually look like on the page. Okay, so we can see we've got our hyperlink version right here, and we have our media download as a module on the page. So whichever way you want to go, it's really up to you. It's a matter of personal preference. I like this second way, but some people don't, and that's okay. Alrighty, so heading back to the media download module, there's just one more thing that I want to talk about, and that is how to find out how many people are downloading your documents. So if we head to media downloads, back under modules, and head into the media download that we're interested in reporting on. So I'm just going to head back into this one, even though no one's looked at it yet. And then head up to Actions, click on that, and then select View Media Download Usage Report. Okay, and that'll pop up and tell me that over the past week, no one's downloaded my media download, which is a little bit sad, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, you can also change the filter period underneath here. So I want to report on the last 3 months, apply filters, etc, etc. And that's really all there is to the media download module. Thanks for watching and good luck. Cheers.